Open our notebooks to our metacognition logs. And so we started this yesterday, right, with our Stromatolite Explorer video. So who can tell us what a metacognition log is? Okay, Ivan, nice and loud, please.
A metacognition log is basically writing down what you see and then writing down what you thought about it. And it helps to remind you exactly how you process the scene or the picture or image, and helps you on, like, basically can help you on tests or anything that would happen in the future.
Into two columns, right? We call this a T-chart. So go ahead and actually show that on your paper. And so we have our title, Metacognition Log on Stromatolite Explorer. So there's two parts of this. The left-hand side, go ahead and write what I see. What I see. And then on the other side, we're going to write what I think.
Oh, God.
Or thoughts. What I see, saw, what I think. Okay.
Nobody heard
it. Imagine an exploration mission through a strange and hostile environment. Now, place yourself inside the imaginary vehicle. The 1/10 of a millimeter long stromatolite.
So right now you're going to look at what's on the screen and write in your metacognition log what you see and then what you think. So I'll give you a minute to reflect on that. Okay, so who would like to comment on this one? Okay. Neil?
What I see is the microbial explorer on the first layer of the microbial mat.
Okay, and what do you think?
And I think of an old-fashioned carriage mixed with a dog. I don't know why, it just looks like that to me.
With a what?
A dog. The eyes kind of remind me of a dog.
Okay, so how things are working together, in
Yeah.
a sense, right? Good. Anyone else? We'll call in a few people here. Dulce, what did you write down? Nice and loud.
I wrote that the people are in that little thing machine explorer, and they're exploring what's around.
You saw and
Yeah.
thought?
An airplane with flippers.
Okay, and what did you think about that?
That would basically be what I personally thought of this Stromatolite Explorer.
Okay, so that made you think of a Stromatolite Explorer. Good.
Yeah.
Which is actually what it is. Perfect. Okay.
Peace.
How about you, Madeline?
Like the picture looks like it's like really murky and dark, so it's kind of like a swamp, and swamps have like different layers of like mud and gunk, so it's kind of like related.
Perfect. That's what we're talking about, right? Okay.
Dang it.
Okay. Eric?
What I saw, it was just a vehicle, but what I thought, a spider with wheels and a jet propeller.
Okay. Good. Hey, Liz, what did you see and think?
I saw cyanobacteria, and it reminded me of grass.
Okay. Something living?
So I see cyanobacteria, and it made me think of like car tracks in the mud. I don't like. Oh yeah, I see.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyone else want to?
It looks like a string of hair when you put it under like a microscope. And then it also looks like cells, like in someone's body or something. I don't know, some sort of cell.
Okay. Okay, what do you see? What do you think? I'll give you a minute to write something down. What did you see and what did you think from that?
I saw a diatom and I thought of a pickle.
Okay, good. It does look like a pickle, huh? Yep.
It's diatom, but kind of looks like worm. So I think that it's kind of like a worm, but it's actually a single cell inside a stromatolite, something like that.
Stromatolite, yeah, that's what.
Stromatolite, yeah.
Good. So that's what we're studying. Okay, what else do we have?
There's oxygen inside of it.
Okay, so there's oxygen inside of it. Oh, you can see the bubbles, huh? Good. So Neb, what did you write down?
It's a what's it called? It's a diatom, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like a leaf.
Okay, good. Lots of green and chloroplast, like they're in the reading.
And then it's surrounded by like a glass wall.
Good. And did we read about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is actually showing us a picture. Good. and then what you thought. Marvin, what did you see and what did you think?
I saw a green string and it made me think of a seaweed.
Okay, good. Living in the ocean. And then we're going to call on Jordan.
When I saw the bubbles, it made me think of bubbles.
Okay, good.
And that Diet Coke commercial.
What?
That Diet Coke commercial.
Right, so it's
I'm
producing
seeing stars, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
carbon. Good. What the movie said it was? Yeah, this is oxygen bubbles, right? And this is how the first oxygen was released into the atmosphere.